Valentin Debise once again proved why he remains one of the most dangerous contenders in the 2026 FIM Supersport World Championship title fight. During the Tissot Superpole session for the Prosecco DOC UK Round at Donington Park, the EASTROC ZXMOTO Evan Bross factory rider secured 7th place on the starting grid with a best lap of 1 minute 29.289 seconds. He finished just 0.639 seconds behind pole sitter Can Oncu, keeping himself firmly in contention for a strong challenge at the front when the lights go out. Despite a qualifying session interrupted several times by crashes and red flags, Debise maintained impressive consistency throughout. The French rider showed competitive pace from the very beginning, even topping the timing sheets early in Superpole with a 1 minute 29.868 before several rivals improved their lap times during the closing minutes of the session. What makes Debise's qualifying performance even more impressive is how incredibly close the competition was. He missed 6th place by just 0.006 seconds behind Jaume Masia, while the gap to 5th place starter Aldi Mahendra was only 0.016 seconds. Those razor-thin margins highlight just how fiercely competitive the field was at Donington Park, where every thousandth of a second made a difference on the grid. Debise also demonstrated strong pace across every sector of the circuit, delivering a consistently balanced lap that resulted in his 1 minute 29.289 benchmark. His ideal lap data suggests there was still more speed available, with a theoretical best of approximately 1 minute 29.178 seconds if all of his fastest sector times had been combined into a single perfect lap. That indicates the Frenchman may not have fully reached his ultimate pace during qualifying. Starting from 7th, Debise will have an excellent opportunity to attack from the opening lap. Given Donington Park's reputation for close racing and overtaking opportunities, his experience, racecraft, and consistency could prove crucial in fighting his way into the leading group and strengthening his World SSP title campaign.